Feuz is a Swiss World Cup alpine ski racer specializing in the speed events of downhill and Super G. He was born on February 11, 1987 in Schangnau, Switzerland. In Beijing 2022, Feuz finally has the one major victory missing from his overflowing collection of downhill achievements, Olympic gold. The Swiss racer clocked 1 minute 42.69 seconds, finishing 0.10 seconds ahead of 41-year-old Frenchman Johan Clarey, while Austrian Matthias Mayer claimed a third Olympic medal in 3 games with bronze. Feuz began the Olympic year in the best possible way by claiming victory in the opening downhill in Lake Louise, his first win on the course and his first podium there since 2011. He won silver for Super G and bronze for downhill. In 2021, he won consecutive downhills on the famed strip at Kitzbühel. The 2017 World Cup season would break off in February for the main event of the year, the 2017 World Championships in his home country in St. Moritz. Feuz entered the World Championships with high expectations from the Swiss ski fans thanks to his performance on the track at the World Cup finals the previous year, and this was only increased when Feuz won the only training run. He started fairly comfortably despite normally not pushing too hard in the training runs. Feuz claimed one more podium finish in 2017 in the second downhill in Kvitfjell, helping him to finish fourth in the downhill standings for 2017.